Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys doing well and enjoying my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys a very easy dessert. It's everyone's favorite dessert and it's called Gajrela. For Gajrela, the ingredients we need are 2 kg shredded carrots, 2 cups of sugar. You can add more sugar if you can taste it. If you think you need more sugar, you can add more sugar. I'm using 3/4 of butter and traditional khoya I'm using. You can make it at home or you can get it ready-made. It's up to you guys. And I'm using some dry nuts, raisins, plain pistachios and some flake almonds. 1 cup of water and 3 to 4 spoons of double cream we need. That's all we need. So guys, our Gajrela is ready to serve. Trust me guys, it came out so delicious. I wish if you can taste some, but unfortunately you can't. For this taste, you have to follow my recipe. Inshallah, I will be sharing more recipes with you guys. I just need your good feedback. And please keep liking my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my today's video. Khuda Hafiz.